LawDepot NDA Agreement Templates App. The pros, the cons. The LawDepot NDA Agreement Templates app is designed to protect sensitive business information, but most people get this wrong by assuming creating a non-disclosure agreement requires a lawyer. The surprising truth is that the app makes drafting legally enforceable and is fast, simple, and cost-effective. One major pro is accessibility. Users can generate NDAs in minutes by answering guided questions about parties, confidentiality terms, and duration. For example, a startup can quickly create an agreement for a new contractor without paying expensive legal fees. Another advantage is customization. The app allows modifications for specific industries or situations, such as intellectual property protection or partnership discussions. This flexibility ensures the agreement fits your unique needs while remaining legally sound. However, there are cons. The app may not cover highly complex scenarios, multi-state legal variations, or disputes that require legal interpretation. Over-reliance on templates without professional review could result in enforceability issues. In conclusion, the LawDepot NDA Agreement Templates app is a practical solution for businesses and individuals who need quick, reliable confidentiality agreements. While it does replace expert legal counsel for complex matters, it provides efficiency, clarity, and peace of mind for everyday legal protections.